Experience the best of Harley Davidson performance with CryoHeat's upgraded transmission that is engineered to redefine your riding experience. Our proprietary CryoHeat process ensures unmatched durability and strength in all the parts. Our transmissions are micro-polished, so they significantly reduce friction and heat, while allowing the transmission to shift incredibly smooth. Our back-cut gears allow a perfect alignment while at the same time having an aggressive lock that will not allow the gears to jump out of their engagement. Additionally, our precision-placed gear shims get rid of the unwanted sloppy play that would be in any unshimmed transmission, helping to further prolong the parts and put down more horsepower to the ground. Whether you're a weekend warrior on a hot date or a hero racer seeking unbeatable performance, or a bad boy 1%er outlaw demanding fury in every gear, our CryoHeat upgraded Harley Davidson transmissions set the standard for excellence. Upgrade today with CryoHeat and shift with confidence.